So, you have decided to apply for UCR. That's great. Let's walk you through the application process. Before you start your application, make sure you have all your documents ready and that you're prepared to tell us why UCR is the right fit for you. To start your application, register in Studielink. When you do, use an email address you have access to after finishing high school. Next, you'll submit your enrollment application to UCR. To find us, filter programs by WO Bachelor and type Middleburg in the search bar. Select University College Roosevelt and complete the Studielink application steps. Then check your email. You'll receive a link to the UCR application portal, Osiris. Follow the link to complete your application to UCR by filling out the application form, uploading your documents, and hitting submit. That's it. You're done for now. We will review your application and contact you within a week or so to let you know whether you will move on to the next stage, the assessment. If so, you'll receive an invitation to complete the assessment on Kira. You will have 2 weeks to do it at any time that works for you. The assessment has 6 questions, some written, some on video, giving you the chance to share more about who you are and what you bring. That's your final step. Once we've reviewed your answers, we'll get back to you with a decision, usually within 2 weeks. Ready? Good luck with your application. UCR.nl/apply